So, hello everybody. This micro project addresses the role of social norms to counteract misinformation in AI system, and it's a joint work between the CNR and the Fondazione Bruno Kessler. So, the overarching goal here is to develop inform the development of new AI systems that are able to promote a more trusted and less polarized debate in our society. So, what regards to what limits the exposure to diverse perspective in social media, we would like to add, beyond homophily and cognitive bias, a third factor, which is our propensity to conform with what other peoples around us are doing. In other words, the social norms of a group. So, in online communities, we may get caught into what in psychology is known as pluralistic ignorance. That is, when our opinion about what others are thinking does not really match with what people are actually thinking. So, this can lead us to behave under a distorted perception of what is the majority opinion. So, here we ask whether there are some network features that can lead to such an illusion of majority. To do so, we rely on a very rich data set on Twitter, which was collected by FPK on COVID-19. Our first result is that we actually find that the responsibility of the majority of contents lies only on a very small fraction of users. The second result is that we find evidence of a segmentation into a small core of very convinced users and a larger periphery that relies on the contents that are mostly produced inside the core. We find these results quite encouraging because they suggest that there are some functional features supporting the illusion of majority. That we know also that revealing the true distribution of opinions can alleviate such pluralistic ignorance and thus conformity. And I think that this is actually very important to think and design new interventions that can help us to fight against misinformation in online communities. So thank you very much.